So Monday me have a little incident. I cut on my finger. And by Tuesday, it did a go down, you know. But guess what? I'm going to hurt it up again. Wednesday, it looked like the swelling are reduced. And by Thursday, it give me healing. So Friday now, I start feel good again. And by Saturday, I start feel clean. Sunday, me day I cook like nothing never happened. You want to know what me use to heal my finger? Come let me show you. So we're walking in the forest today, guys, because I have an idea. I've seen a lady on, you know, the tube. She was picking some stuff in winter, and it reminded me last year that I was doing the same thing, but I didn't know exactly what to do with it when I was picking it. So I watched the video and I realized how she did it. She spoke about, you know, the methods of how to pick it, where to find it, how to locate it, and how to use it. So me and my brilliant idea now decided to come out in the forest and find the trees that we love the most and pick it from the tree. So that's what we're doing today. And if I don't find any in this woodland, in this forest, in this little area for us, then we're going to go driving. We're going to drive a little distance away to see if we can find some. But she says it's best to get it in the winter when it's not sunny, because it can get a bit runny. So yeah, I am going to be doing that. Have you figured out what I'm trying to, you know, pick yet? No? But anyway, she told me how to use it, and we're going to search for them now. All right? Look how cold it is. It's freezing, guys. My fingers are numb at the moment. I think I'm gonna need a pair of gloves or something. It's freezing. Freezing cold. I woke up this morning. I woke up this grand rising hours, and guess what? I made bread. I made bread again this morning. Yeah, I made bread in the grand rising hours. So now I made another one, and it's actually rising. So I've left it because it needs to rise for 2 hours. So I left it, and we're gonna come foraging now. All right. See them behind me lagging. Say hi to everybody. Right. So I'll come back when we find the tree. All right. See you in a minute, guys. So guys, we didn't get any off this one or the redwood or those other ones in there. It's just this one, which is a birch. So we're gonna go to the big forest now to see if we can actually get some more resin. I've got enough in this container. I can make medicine for all of us in the house, because my son always have little trips and falls because of him leg. Because of his legs, he's always having little trips and falls. So yeah, guys, we are back home. And look, I've got like a container pack with resins. This has been so much fun. This has been amazing. The smell of this as well. The smell of the resin. This is the biggest one I found. Look how big and pretty this one is. You can see the amber on it, innit? Guys, it smells so good. It smells like you go worship. This is so nice. All right. I am going to start getting the resin, you know, purified now, all right? Ah! This is the little one we got from near to my home. Still some. And then this is what we got from the forest. All right, let's smell this one. Guys, this have a different smell to the other ones. This one is a beech tree, yeah? This smells similar. But this have a more stronger. So this is what I harvested today, guys. All right, see what I'm gonna make with it. Oh my God, I'm so grateful I found this lady. I'm gonna subscribe right now. Guys, I've got some containers out here, and I was gonna go big. I was gonna melt the whole thing, but I decided to test it out first. So I'm gonna use the resin we found at the first location. Yeah. And I'm gonna weigh it out, and if it's like 7 grams or so, I'm gonna use this. So I'm going to use that, and then I can actually see how it's going to turn out before I put it in everything. Because if I do everything and it don't turn out good, then I'm going to be like, I waste so much product. So let me start off with one little one first, and then we'll come back. Hope I'm doing this right. So I've got the resin measured out. I've got my olive oil measured out. This is my beeswax. I've got a big block of beeswax, so I had to grate some. And I've got the measured beeswax measured out. You can use any alternative wax if you don't want to use beeswax, all right? That's it. So I'm going to put everything on the hob, and I'll come back. So I've pre-measured out my ingredients. I've got a block of beeswax here. I normally use it when I'm making my salve, and I have to grate it, all right? This is 13 grams of resin and 67 grams of olive oil, all right? I'm gonna melt the resin into the olive oil. So I'm just gonna pop this in here. This little piece as well, if I can get it off. Yep. And guys, this is very sticky. So I'm just going to pop that in here, and I'm going to bring it over to the double boiler, okay? So I'm going to start off by adding it to my pot. She advised to add it in some cold water, and then you can turn on your hob and melt it on low, not too high. All right, so I'll let this melt, and I'll get my little chopstick. I'll get my little stick to turn it, but I'm going to let this melt first before I add the beeswax. Guys, it looks like it start melt already, you know. The water start get cloudy, she said, when it start melt. So, yep. Me, I forgot to strain this though, because I'm very, me have OCD. Can't use this if you not strain, Yeah, it's melting. All right, we'll come back when it's fully melted, all right? It's melted so much, guys. It's melted so much. That's resin as well, isn't it? You think? I think so. Guys, if you ever smell it, it smells like medicine. Proper medicine. Turn up the fire for me, baby. Just a bit. Yeah, now we can. Because these ones are going to take a while to melt. And then we get the beeswax for it. Guys, what I realized is that all of the residue from the pine resin come to one little ball here. So I don't really have to worry about straining because everything gets settled. So all I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add the beeswax to it. This is nice and warm. Well, hot. Shit, I hope my beeswax never going out of the pot. But anyways, we're going to melt him. And then these just are going to gather back up together again. Then we're going to make that settle, see? That melt nicely. And then these just are going to settle again. And I can start pouring out in my tins very soon. This is amazing. Right, guys, this is extremely hot. Oh God. I am going to pour. Lord God help me. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we get 3 out of it, guys. Proper 3. And then look. All of the gunge them there at the bottom. This is amazing. Get rid of this quickly because I don't want it to. I want to use this jar again. So I will get these out. Look at that. Oh my God. That's amazing. That's so cool. All right, we'll see how them solidify, and I'll come back when there are. Guys, look, we've got our salve, and it is smelling gorgeous. This smells so good. So I'll just run through some of the benefits for you, yeah? Pine resin salve have enough benefits when you use it. Here's how and why you should try it. First of all, it's going to fight germs and kill infection. What I mean by that, it's going to kill bacteria and fungi. Pine resin helps to keep the cut and, the scrapes clean. So anything we get in a hit, it's going to try to heal it fast and it's going to protect the area so your skin can grow back strong. 2, it calms swelling and ease pain of the swelling. And if your joint or your muscles them hurt you, it'll help bring down the inflammation. It's also going to help soothe irritated skin. It's good for eczema, rash, or psoriasis. So, or if you're going to the bush and rub up on the bush them, if you're a farmer, and going to the bush and rub up on the bush them, it will help soothe the rash and thing. Daddy would have loved this. And it has a natural pain reliever, so it's going to take away the stiffness out of your knees. So if you have arthritis, it's good for you. And if your back hurts you, whenever you feel tight or your muscles them are going funny, it will help you because it have this warm effect will make you relax the pain away. So it's going to help you so much. Trust me on that. It also helps repair your skin. So it fixes small cuts and burn and protect your skin and help it to heal fast. It softens areas with wonders. Upon the dry heel back them, yeah, and the color store them with the corn. It helps to soothe it and make it softer so you can, easily break it down over a period of time. And it clear up your chest. So for instance, you can't breathe properly. If you rub it on your chest like how we used to do the vapor rub, you're going to feel a difference because it gives you that nice warm sensation. It's good for cold and sinus, and the scent alone, I will open up your nose. So this is a good one to have at home. And the greatest thing about it is that it pull out the toxin them, and that work like magnet. It just suck them out. So if you have a splinter or stuff and you put this on it, it just goes draw out the splinter. And if you have a boil with pus on it like a burn or something, it's going to help you heal that faster. So how you use it now? You're going to rub it on the area or the skin where you need the help with. But you're not going to use it on deep cuts where it needs stitches and all of them something. You're going to try it on one small area first and make sure so you don't irritate your skin. But if you really want to learn how to make this, you just have to watch the whole of the video. Alright? And then you can comment in the box below and let me know or ask me any questions and maybe answer it for you. Alright? And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Alright? Thank you for watching. Talk to you soon. Guys, we're all finished. Look. It's not fully solidified yet, but it's getting there. And look what's left. This is what's remaining after we're done, melting and making our salve. This is what's left. So this is all the pine bark and, debris that was in the resin. So don't worry too much about it. It will separate itself. It knows what it's doing. You just need to harvest it. Trust me. So the rest on the chopstick. Actually, it's a skewer. The rest is on the skewer, guys. So much fun to do. This was so much fun to you. And I'm going to tag the creator who video I watched. And oh my God, this is going to make my life so much easier. I'm thinking of bringing this on holiday with me as well. And because we use the beeswax, it's not going to melt too, quick in the sun. This is amazing. Thank you so much. Full joy making yourself, guys. This is resin from pine trees. All right. And I'm Nix, your natural natty sister, and I'll be back with more videos like this. Okay. If you want to look in my playlist, I've got lemon balm salve, calendula salve, turmeric salve, and plantain salve as well. So this is another new one today, the whole family. All right. Catch you soon. All done, guys. All done. We are looking good. Our balm is balming. Our salve is salving. We're looking good. It smells delicious. It smells like medicine, something you get from the pharmacy. This is amazing. So I've got 3 here. So this is for our holiday now, right? So when we go on our holiday, this is to help the mosquitoes to stay away as well. You get me? So I'm going to formulate my mosquito repellent, the one I brought last year, April. And I'm going to bring that as well, as long with these, because they don't melt. So these are for me, Deja Jarman. Alright? So we're going to carry these and we're going to test them out when the mosquitoes them try to attack we. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll catch you on the next one. Alright? And click this video if you want to see what I've done with the debris of the resins. Alright? Stay tuned. We don't want to miss that video. The kitchen smells like pine. And you know mosquitoes do not like pine. And click the above link to see how I use this pine resin salve. I just put some on my hand here, not too shiny. You'd never believe it's on my hand. It smells so nice.
But take a screenshot of your IG, so when them say you a street, you know I might do that. Full up a style.